Hi, everybody. It's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about how to find the vertex of a quadratic equation, which I have behind me, y equals x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay, now the first step is we want to use the line of symmetry formula, which is right here, x equals negative b over 2a. Now, where do you find a, b, and even c? Well, if you have your quadratic in standard form, it would look like this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals y or equals 0, okay? And the y can be on the other side. So the a is the number in front of x squared, the b is the number in front of x, and c is your constant, which usually is also your y-intercept, okay? If it's in standard form. So let's do some math. We're going to solve for the x value of the vertex. The vertex has to be in an x and y, okay? The vertex is a point with the x number and a y number. So we're finding the x first. We do x equals negative 8 over 2 times 1. So negative 8 over 2 times 1, which is negative 8 over 2, which is negative 4. So that's the x value. Yay, we have the x value. We don't have the y value. So let's do the y value, and I'll do that in a different color. We plug this number in for the x in the equation. So now we have y equals parentheses negative 4 squared plus 8 parentheses negative 4 plus 12, okay? All I did was replace the x with the negative 4. So we're going to plug that in exactly how it is into the calculator. And this part's not that fun. So we do parentheses negative 4 parentheses squared. On the calculator, you use this button down here for negative. Okay, plus 8 parentheses x. Oh, I should probably tell you where x is. Not x, sorry, negative 4 plus 12. My bad. So here we go. There's no x in there. We're just using negative 4 instead of x. Press enter. Negative 4. Okay, that was fun. All right, thank you.